guys, welcome to the Kids channel. Can you imagine what kind of recipes my mom gonna make today? She's gonna make puriyappam. So guys, I'm gonna tell you the puriyappam recipes. We need 3 pieces of jaggery, then cardamom seeds, then we need sesame seeds, then grated coconut, and we need raw rice. Then we need matta rice. Then we need also salt. And also guys, we need 1 egg. Take a pot, keep it on medium flame. Then add this jaggery to the pot. Then put some water. Mix it until it is melted completely. Then add some grated coconut to the syrup. Then mix it. Take cardamom seeds, crush this seed, add it to the syrup, then mix it. Then take a pan, add this matta rice. You have to fry it until it is brownish color. Then add this matta rice and fry matta rice to the mixing jar. Powder it. Then take this powdered matta rice and add it to the bowl. Then we'll add this powdered matta rice to the mixture. Then we'll mix. Then we'll add sesame seeds. So guys, take them in your hand and make it into a ball shape. So everything is done. Now add raw rice to the mixie jar. Add some water. Then add 1 egg. Then grind it. Then take a bowl, pour this mixture into the bowl. Then add some salt. Then we'll mix it. Take a pan, put some oil, dip it in the mixture and fry. So guys, the ball that you made, you have to dip it in the mixture and then fry. Now a delicious puriyappam is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share. Bye guys.